Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Today is December 20th. It's a Friday. Really happy that I was able to end it on a green note. Made $546.50, a total of 7 orders, all positions closed, just like we do every single day. I want to talk and do a very quick little recap on how I was able to hit my daily goal. Again, a daily goal is something that you have to work towards, not something that, happens every single day, right? We have a big focus on opportunity. We have a big focus on direction. And one of my biggest things is as we began to see natural gas sell off, one of the things that I began to really see here is that as it was pushing up, it got rejected by this SMA line. It began to consolidate, and then again, the middle VWAP, it broke below the EMA line, it broke below the middle VWAP, and then it really aggressively began to sell off. This is where I made a majority of my money, and I wanted to show you exactly how it played out. So if we go on over here, again, I'll pop this thing up right here just so I could click show trades and show you exactly again where I bought, and let me make this a little bit smaller so you guys can see it, and where I ended up selling. So again, we saw that this reversal was coming. Once it got that confirmation, I added my last position, a total of 250 shares. It began to show signs of an uptrend, and then I locked in profits at 162.70. And again, why did I lock in profits at that area? Well, if you pay attention to /NG once natural gas loads, one of the things that we began to see here is I looked at previous support levels, and by looking at previous support levels around this general area, you can see that as it aggressively sold off, the MACD was super oversold, and so was the RSI. Therefore, looking at previous support levels and looking at these series of different indicators, I knew that, again, I already hit my daily goal, and on top of that, these indicators that I use as a reference, on top of that, based off of previous patterns, it made sense on why to lock in profits on DGAS. So it was a very simple trade that allowed me to hit my daily goal, $546. There was nothing special. I think I was up like 115 before. But again, that was my biggest play. I saw an opportunity. I saw it begin to consolidate. I saw the previous low point, right? So then once we had that confirmation, I went fully invested into my trade, and then it aggressively began to sell off, which played out in my favor. So really happy with how today played out. It was a pretty simple day when it came down to trading. Again, a total of 7 orders, $546 profit. And that was all with DGAS. All right, guys, hope that you guys enjoyed that recap. Right now, I'm actually in Denver, Colorado, actually Breckenridge. Check this out real quick. So this is the view from the hotel room. I'm supposed to be snowboarding right now, but I went out yesterday to like eat and stuff like that, and I don't do very well with the cold. I got sick, my toes were frozen, it was 0-degree weather, and I just didn't want to risk it. I have a lot of work that I have to do once I get back on home, and I fly back tomorrow. So instead of snowboarding, and although it does look so much fun, I'm gonna try to see if I can just go out there and maybe do certain things, but definitely don't think I could snowboard. But I really hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. I wish you guys all an amazing weekend. Also, if you're someone that's just getting started, I have a little gift for you. It's absolutely for free. It's gonna be the first link down below, and I really hope that if you're interested in learning how to day trade, this can get you one step closer to achieving your goals. Really do appreciate you guys' time. Feel free to comment down below any thoughts, and like always, let's make sure that we're in the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.